Hello my beautiful people, my name is Yeva and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your Bigo ID. So when you join Bigo, you have Bigo name and Bigo ID. So Bigo ID is that long number that you can see on your profile. Bigo ID is used for official events, when your agent wants to book you for events, or if someone wants to find you on search. So they look for you using your Bigo ID. Now you can change that long number, which is not very comfortable to use, to a word or your name or your nickname. You can only change your Bigo ID once, so think carefully. Later you can change it if you have SVIP points, but if you don't have it, you will need to stick with your chosen Bigo ID. So you can change your Bigo name whenever you want, but Bigo ID you can change only once. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So you go to your profile, press this edit button in the top corner, and you can see your name, date of birth, Bigo ID, and other information that you have out there. So as I said, you can change your Bigo name many times. And here is Bigo ID. I already changed mine, so I cannot actually show you, but you need to press Bigo ID and then you need to delete the numbers and add your name or nickname in there. And then you just press save, submit, and that's it. I highly advise to change your Bigo ID from numbers to a word because it's going to be easier for people to remember you, to find you on the Bigo app, and definitely going to be easier for your agent. So that's it. I hope it was useful, and if you have any questions, please write me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you're looking for agency to join, I will leave my agency in the description. So have a great summer, enjoy Bigo, and have fun. Ta-ta!